everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. In this video, I am telling about one of the best crypto project which is the name of Joker Dog. So I will explain each and everything detail. So disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So friend, if you are new on first time on my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie, so please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for coming with notification. So now you can check out Joker Dog. So now you can how to buy this token, and now you can check out stacking detail, futures and roadmap, tokenomics, white paper, edit, all information I will explain. And now you can check out. So now first of all you can connect your wallet. Simply tap on connect your wallet, easily connect MetaMask and wallet connect. And now how to buy this token. This one token price is 0.00058. So now you can check out, and now you can select this choice a network. I will choose Solana network. Basically it's Solana project. So now you can simply click, and now you can tap this Solana networks. Now you can buy this Solana chain. So now you can simply click, and now you can simply one soul buy. Now you can simply tap on one soul, and now you can get this token. So now easily buy this token and earn money online. This token price is very high. So Joker Dog playful powerful revolution. So if you are unsure any issue, please contact your support. So now you can contact this email like that Joker token stacking. So now you can check out total stacking detail, reward 180% APE and staking balance. Now you can check out 10 days, 20 days and 30 days. Minimum stacking now you can check out, and your stack like that. Now you can check out my balance, and now you can stack. And now you can check out all of detail like that how to stack this token, and now you can check out each of detail like that. Now you can check out this claim detail, your locked tokens. So now your claim token details like that. And now you can check out Joker Dog meme words and Mahdim. So now you can check out this version detail. Imagine a game. We are the internet's most iconic meme come to life in a vibrant and convention universe. Joker Dog meme verse meme is a multiplayer battle royale, and we are play control meme character like Joker Dog, pay the first and play control and meme character like Joke Toger. Peep the frog and Hambable the more batting in our shaking areas inspired by viral meme culture. The game will be combined cutting edge and graphic additional gameplay. Our blockchain international tool created a culture phantom that appear to games and meme lover and crypto ethic officials. So now you can check out friend all of detail. Upgrade for 25,000 coins like that, 30%, 33% affiliate links. The story, now you can read out the story. In the meme verse, a digital relay, we meme are alive and thriving. A meme score, fake, ironic and wallet meme 1000 took across everything. The meme verse in village must be brand together, the fight each other to see auto Joker token. So the makeable trickers lead and church reality and meme characters. So friend, now you can check out this all of detail like the story. Will the game will succeed? So first chapter and Mass April. Memes are universal league, and the group types into the collective negative and humor of the internet culture. Second, blockchain innovation. Now you can check out. Third, scalability, and now you can check out. For monetization, in-app purchase, skin, emotes, and bottle process, NFT marketplace, trader and meme skin, in term and sponsorship, partnership, and meme creator and brand of the game event. So now you can play this game live soon. So now you can check out what make Joker Dog token unique. So Joker Dog is only meme coin project that has the latest, most advanced ground to breaking DeFi achievement on Solana. So basically it is Solana meme coin project like that. Now you can stack to earn, and now you can play to earn and swap and DEX marketplace and NFTs and AI platform. Now you can check out this all of live soon. And now you can check out Joker Dog memes coin with a vision. Joker Dog is a more than just a meme coin. It's a playful, powerful, and evolution forces in a blockchain universe. Joker Dog creator a bold finisher, humor, and cutting edge innovation. playful. Its meme drive, analytic, powerful inner community driven ecosystem are revelation in the missing to achieve groundbreaking millions to Solana. So now you can check out JokeDoga is a ref lending the very easy to what a meme coin achieve. So now you can check out this transaction fee. 0% by tax transaction fees like that and staking reward. Now you can stack and reward now and government's detail like that. And now you can check out Solana and token data 5. And now you can check out phase 1 complete for smart contraction add website launch community building. Now you can check out pre-sale launch detail like that. Now you can check out and start to earn is live and a exchanging listing upcoming. So now you can check out this official contact address. Now you can simply click and now you can copy easily. So now you can check out this phase 2 detail like that. Now Joker NFT market launch, Joker and Joker Dog and bridge development details like that. Now you can check out market partnership, jokes and swap beta launch. Now you can check out friend all of detail phase 3 Joke AI research and development detail. Now you can see, now you can check out, read out all of details. So community comments, now you can check out open source and now educational innovation detail. Now you can check out all of detail and must be read it. And now you can check out phase 4 detail and like that joke words experiencing joke AI innovation and global adoption. Now like that, now you can check out Joker Dog tokenomics. So now you can check out tokenomics pre-sale 20%, 20 billion, and now you can check out liquidity and 10%, stacking reward 20%, and gaming reward 20%. And now you can check out the joke ecosystem 10%, marketing 10%, community innovation airdrop 5%, team and 5%. Now you can check out latest tokenomics. Join the Joker Dog community. So join the Weber Dog community and unlock a minimum of the Elish benefits. And now you can check out, now you can simply click and you can buy, and now you can